Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how you can move money from OnePay to Cash App. So let's get started. First, you need to connect to a bank account to your OnePay account. Open the OnePay application, go into the settings section and select the bank accounts. From there, you gotta add your personal bank account and complete any verification steps if the app asks for them. Once your bank account is linked, go to the transfer, send or withdraw section inside OnePay. Enter the amount you want to move and transfer the funds from OnePay to your connected bank account. Depending on the bank, the transfer may arrive the same day or within one business day. After the money reaches your bank, open Cash App and connect the same bank account. To do this, go to your profile settings, choose linked banks and add the bank account you already used with OnePay. Next, inside Cash App, tap the Add Cash option, select the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. The funds will then move from your bank account into your Cash App balance. Keep in mind that there is currently no direct OnePay to Cash App transfer feature available. Transfer speed depends mainly on your bank's processing time, so delivery may vary. It's also important to make sure the account holder's name on OnePay, your bank, and Cash App will all match correctly to prevent transfer problems. Using the same bank account between both services is usually the easiest and most reliable way to move money successfully. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.